Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade on Revolut, a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you will need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Create an account and verify your identity. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you can deposit funds into your account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. The next step is to navigate to the trading section of the app, where you can browse through the available markets and select the instrument you want to trade. Before placing a trade, it is essential to understand the different types of orders that are available, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is an instruction to buy or sell an instrument at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to specify a price at which you want to buy or sell. To place a trade, select the instrument you want to buy or sell, and then choose the type of order you want to use. Enter the amount you want to trade, and confirm the transaction. You can also set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses if the market moves against you. It is also important to understand the fees and charges associated with trading on Revolut, including commission fees, overnight fees, and currency conversion fees. You can find more information about these fees in the app or on the Revolut website. In addition to trading, Revolut also offers a range of other features, including real-time market data, news and analysis, and a demo account that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get started with trading, as it allows you to try out different strategies and get a feel for the markets without risking any real money. To get the most out of trading on Revolut, it is essential to stay informed and up to date with market news and trends. You can do this by following reputable financial news sources, and by using the analytical tools and charts provided by the app. Finally, it is crucial to remember that trading always involves risk, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and staying informed, you can use Revolut to trade a variety of financial instruments and potentially earn a profit.